Stop describing your day like a robot.
But I'm just saying what I do every morning.
I wake up, I eat, I go to work. It's boring and native speakers don't talk like that.
Really? What should I say instead?
Today, we're fixing your daily routine so you sound natural and fluent immediately.
I'm ready. My routine definitely needs a makeover.
First, stop saying, I wake up, for every single situation.
But that's literally what happens when I open my eyes.
Try saying, my alarm goes off at 6 or, I usually sleep in on Saturdays.
Sleep in? I like the sound of that.
Exactly. It means staying in bed longer than usual.
Okay, so what about the moment I actually leave the bed?
Use the phrasal verb roll out of bed. It sounds way more casual.
I love that. I finally rolled out of bed at 7:15.
Perfect. Now, lesson 2, stop using and then to connect every sentence.
It's so hard not to. How else do I show the order of things?
Use transitions like once I've had my coffee or following that.
So, once I've finished breakfast, I head out the door?
Yes. It creates a much smoother flow than just saying and then.
That makes me sound so much more advanced.
It does. It shows you know how to link your ideas properly.
What about the end of the day? I usually say I go to sleep.
That's lesson 3. Use idiomatic expressions like hit the sack.
Hit the sack? Is that like hitting a pillow?
Exactly. Another great one is winding down.
Oh, like a clock winding down? To relax?
Spot on. I like to wind down with a book before I hit the sack.
I'm definitely using wind down tonight.
Let's put all 3 points into a real-life conversation.
I'll start. So, how was your morning today?
A bit rough. My alarm went off late, so I had to rush.
Oh no. Did you have time for breakfast?
Hardly. Once I'd grabbed a quick bite, I bolted out the door.
And following that, was the commute okay?
The traffic was a nightmare, but I made it to the office.
Well, hopefully you can wind down this evening.
Definitely. I'm planning to hit the sack early tonight.
Wow, that sounded so natural. No and then at all.
Now it's your turn. Pause the video and repeat after me, I rolled out of bed.
Go on, say it out loud. It helps with your muscle memory.
Now, comment below, what time does your alarm usually go off?
We want to see you use that phrase in the comments.
Quick recap. 1. Use phrasal verbs like alarm goes off or sleep in.
2. Use once I've. Or following that instead of and then.
And 3. Use wind down or hit the sack for your evening routine.
I feel much more confident about my English today.
Subscribe for daily English tips. We help you sound like a native every day.
New video every single day. See you in the next one.